In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Klaviyo sender email. This process is crucial for ensuring your communications are consistent and professional, but also personalized to fit your brand. So, let's dive right in and walk through these steps together. First, we'll begin at the Klaviyo homepage. Once you're logged in, let's direct our attention to the lower left corner of your screen. Here, you'll see your profile icon. Go ahead and click on that. This area is the gateway to your account settings, where all the magic happens when it comes to personalizing your Klaviyo experience. After you've accessed your profile, you'll notice an array of options available, but we're focusing on the Settings option today. Clicking on Settings is crucial, as it opens up a list of configurations you can adjust to make sure your Klaviyo account is tailored exactly to your needs. Upon entering the Settings menu, you'll want to navigate over to the Organization tab. This might sound a bit formal, but think of it as the nerve center of your account. Here, among other settings, you'll find the default sender email address that Klaviyo uses for your outgoing messages. Now here's the part where you take control. You're going to see the section labeled Default Sender Email Address. The beauty of this step is its simplicity. If there's a particular email address you want to be associated with all your communications, this is the place to make that change. Simply input your preferred sender email and make sure it aligns with your branding. Once you've updated the email, there's an option to apply this sender email to all your messages. This step is incredibly handy if you want to make the change across the board rather than individually updating emails for various campaigns or communications. It streamlines the process, ensuring your identity remains consistent throughout. Lastly, to cement these changes, make sure to click on Save. It's a small step, but an essential one. It ensures that all the changes you've carefully implemented are actually applied to your account. No one wants to go through the process of setting things up only for the changes to be lost because of a forgotten save. And there you have it. A straightforward and effective way to change your Klaviyo sender email. By following these steps, you're ensuring your emails reflect your brand and provide a consistent experience for your recipients. Thanks for tuning into today's tutorial, and happy emailing.